How can I clear my Wi-Fi router history?
Hello, and welcome to today's guide. Are you interested in clearing your Wi-Fi router history for privacy or troubleshooting reasons? If so, you're in the right place. We're going to walk you through the process step by step. Remember, clearing the history is a simple task, but it's essential to follow the instructions correctly.
What is Wi-Fi router history?
First things first. The Wi-Fi router history is a log of all the devices and their activities that have been connected to your Wi-Fi network. This may include websites visited, devices connected, time of connection, and so on. Clearing this history can help you protect your privacy and solve certain network issues.
Accessing the router's administrative settings.
To clear your Wi-Fi router history, you'll need to access your router's administrative settings. This is usually done by typing the router's IP address into your web browser. The most common IP addresses are 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, but it can vary based on the router brand and model. Once you've entered the IP address, you'll be asked for a username and password. If you've never changed these, they're likely the default ones. You can find them in your router's manual or look them up online by router brand and model. If you've changed and forgotten them, you'll need to reset your router to factory settings.
Clearing the history.
Once you're logged into your router's administrative settings, look for a section called Logs, Router Logs, or Security Logs. The exact name can vary based on the router brand and model. This section contains the router's history. To clear the history, there should be an option like Clear Logs, Delete History, or something similar. Click on it, confirm the action if necessary, and your router history will be cleared. Please note, once the logs are cleared, the data can't be retrieved. And there you have it. That's how you clear your Wi-Fi router history. It's a simple process, but it can help improve your privacy or solve network issues. Just remember to follow the steps correctly, and always be cautious when altering your router's settings. If you have any more tech-related questions, feel free to ask. We hope this guide has been helpful. Thank you for watching, and take care.